Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. And today I'll be suspending embeds in a thick cold process base. If you saw the video a few weeks ago, I attempted a column pour and I used a fragrance that normally behaves really well and really holds its scent. Well, apparently that fragrance has changed formulas because it moved very quickly. And while I was able to save the bar and get not too bad looking bar out of it, the fragrance, there's almost no scent in these, and what little bit of scent there is doesn't smell good. So the top bars were really bad looking because they were just rough and they were just the texture was so thick. So I chopped these up and I'm going to suspend these in embeds. I'm going to use Nurture Soap's Purple Vibrant as a base, just a single color, and I'm going to use Crafter's Choice Blackberries and Spiced Pear. This is one of my favorite fragrances, but it really moves fast. But it's okay in this one because it's a single color. I can hand stir it in, so it moves slowly enough I can do that. I'm a little nervous because I'm soaping really hot, but I got to get out of here. I got a lot of stuff to do this evening. So it's going to be about 105 degrees Fahrenheit I'm soaping. But once again, even though the fragrance moves fast, I'll hand stir it in, mix everything in, and get it in the mold. So I really think it'll be okay. So let's get our mica into here. I forgot how many. Just a second. I need five teaspoons. Since it's a single color, I can blend the mica in to the oils. So let's get this stirred in, or get this blended in. And I hope you can see that in the camera because mica blending in oil is so neat. I love the look of it. So let's put our 100 plus degree lye water in here. Slowly and carefully. Get our soap base. Okay, so we're well blended. I mean, this is going to be like a super easy, fast soap, but I got a lot going on this evening and I kind of need that. So we will stir our embeds in. So even though this soap didn't do what I wanted to and it doesn't have a scent, the soap really turned out neat, especially those embeds when they're cut up like that. And that's fairly thick, but they would sink to the bottom if I pour it like that. But the fragrance oil, I'm going to add just a tad more. The fragrance oil is a fast mover. You could never use this in piping, or you could never do this like with an intricate drop swirl because it moves too fast. But in this instance, a fast moving fragrance is great. So from this point on, there's not a whole lot going on. It's just me stirring, waiting for the fragrance to thicken. So I decided to speed the camera up and just do a voiceover. Now I've mentioned that this fragrance moves quickly, and it really does, but as you can see, hand stirring it, it does hold up fairly well. I just want to get every last bit of that in, but you can see it's thickening already. But in an instance like this, or with layers or a quick pour, this fragrance works great. And that's why I'll deal with it, because it smells so good and holds its scent so well. But now it's getting thick enough to pour into the mold and to suspend the embeds. And I made an extra large batch intentionally, plus I knew I had the embeds to make it even bigger. So I'm going to pour the rest of it into my column mold, my silicone column mold. And make a mess, of course, because I wouldn't make soap if I didn't make a mess. But that's pretty much it. So I'll get these sprayed with alcohol and I'll let this sit overnight and I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Okay, it's time to cut our soap. And I know the making video was not the most exciting in the world, and this type of soap, it's not going to be. I knew it wasn't, but hopefully the cut will be pretty exciting and reveal some nice looking bars. So let's see what we got. Those embeds are pretty hard, and I knew they would be because they've sat out and cured for almost a month. So I'll cut a few from each of these and a few from the round one, but yep. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, those embeds were really colorful. That was going to be a nice soap, but oh well, wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, look at all the embeds in that one. Haha. Feels like not many in that one. Yep. Okay. So we're going to have a few plain purple bars. Well, I know I put embeds in this, and a bunch of them at that. There, now we're starting to get into some. So let me cut one more, and I'll cut some from this other log. Oh yeah, I can feel the ones in that. There we go, finally. Yeah, now we're into them. Let me start from this end. It looks like it has a few more. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel them. And let's see what our round log looks like. Alright, and I'll finish these off camera. But this is pretty much what I was expecting. So I'm pleased. And I was able to get rid of some funky shaped soaps with no scent. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with these, and that's what I have this week. I'll be out of town next week, so there will be no video next weekend, but I'll see y'all the week after. So y'all, have a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye, everybody.